If you are looking for videos on using present perfect simple and past simple, then check out the links in the description. The difference between present perfect simple and past simple is based on time, intent, and context. I went camping last year. In this sentence, it's important that I went camping last year. I have gone camping. Here, it's important that I have gone camping before. When is not important. So when you give a specific time, use past simple. When time isn't important, use present perfect simple. This also shows in questions. Did you go camping? Yes, I went last year. It is implied that you are interested in the time. It could ask about a specific time, like if we were talking about what we did for a holiday last year. Have you gone camping? Yes, I have. The questioner is interested in if you have ever tried camping. I worked out at the gym. I'm just talking about things that I did. I have worked out at the gym. That is why I'm so muscular. You can see the results. The past is connected to the present. I went camping last week. I have gone camping this week. The week isn't over yet. I worked in the hospital for 3 years. I don't work there anymore. I have worked in the hospital for 3 years. I still work there. The rule of thumb is that if the past is connected to the present, you use present perfect simple. If the past stays in the past, use past simple. Now practice what you have learned in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and consider supporting my work by becoming my patron.